Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind.
Kami wanting mo. Empty. Hot outside. Yes. No, come down. Go down this side. Over this side. Yep. Yeah, go. On the other side. Wait, no, wait, girl. Wait. Run back. No. No, girl. We can't go like this. Come on this side, yeah. Come on this side with me. No, we can't take time with you. You're not drop. You're not drop. Come. Wait, girl. We can't do this. No. We just step out. Yeah, like it go slip down. Up on the side. The side look more secure. No. The side look more secure. Up on the side. Alright. Wait, I can't do it. Hey, look, it will slide down.
You have to just run down.
Alright, can't do it. We can't run. Alright, me run down. Me do it one time. Why? Yeah, oh God. My toes in the sand. Oh God. What, it feels nice. Wait there. Wait. Up there, why are you really going with? I like that to know, but it's actually wrong. It's so good. So nice. The water. No, my seat. Oh, shit. I don't want to should I bring one buckle? Yeah, buckle. Yeah, buckle. I'm going to drink water with foot. Alright. I know some of that record. Party later. Over here. Yeah. In a couple hours.
We outside.
With Mario. See him there? Sexy. We doing it. Ooh. No, thank you. Oh, now you want soup later. Hello.
Or you have to just buy from when I vended them.
Eh?
Buy the food.
Is that no? See, let me see.
It's edible.
Edible.
How you want to bite it? Y'all related. We bite it. Share. A little piece.
No, I try. Still.
Hey, I go ready dog today.
But right now, you should do right now. I almost sweet.
Remember, I know you're not eat it. Well, I just one little piece. Take one little piece and then give me more.
Bomba.
You tasty? You tasty too?
I'm outside with my cousin. Hey.
Whoop your ass and pull.
Ellie. Ronnie.
You damn right. You better let me have it. You damn right, Buster.
He said an hour for the edible to kick in. He said an hour.
I can just chill with it.
He said I'm gonna be high. I never took it before. 1 hour. That's crazy.
That's crazy.
For the edible to kick in.
We outside. Took my shots them already.
But it's some second cup, you see? Some second cup. I guess it's my birthday weekend.
Look at my foot. The white nails.
Yeah, hold on.
Let's later for this around.
Hey.
White nails today.
I'm high as hell. You know, I used to be TikTok famous.
Play Power.
Power.
Power by Young Thug.
Oh, yeah?
I don't even know that song.
Get the money, then you'll get that power.
I don't even know that song.
The ones are warm.
You say you in New York.
I don't listen to Young Thug.
You in New York?
Yeah.
Listen to that drill music out there. You know, New York is like South music. Hey, bro, I had a Billionaire Boys Club shirt on, and this girl from New York harassed me.
Oh.
She said, the people that wear those type of shirts are gay.
What shirt?
It was a Billionaire Boys
Oh, business.
Club.
Okay. I heard of it. I know.
That for real shit. I was like, dead ass? You dead ass for me?
Dead ass.
Dead ass me?
Dead ass B.
Now
Fuck
you
you
walk
talking about?
around with 15 in trousers.
She know this song. I don't
Bitch,
know
I'm
what song
making
it is.
raindrops. You need that. Oh, you don't know it.
I don't listen to Young Thug.
Kill them with the black.
Big ass boom boom liquor.
Yo, shit. Down here, by the water. Don't get lost. My first time here.
Say your
spot. Tell a pussy we no gun dip tag. Like Chinese wall so the clip tag. Show it up and make you fall from your disc tag. You know want none of this cause man a big tag. I saw you disappear as if I never did ban. Me no walk up a kilo, me no just a sing song. With the people your mother tell you keep fam. Z-Tech full of bomb like Islam. And if you make a me know the enemy. Them a pray and me know they not sorry for me. People a ball and a skin cause we bad than we mean.
Go upstairs because the sun too hot. Are they close?
It's okay.
Oh, that's the close. How are you?
This is the peace that you cannot buy. Send me love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way when you cannot see. Man with this system you cannot pray. I need to find release. But behind my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. Fighting to give up my bed. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need, right? Yeah, I really need.
Oh, listen, all these people don't have. I wanted this. They don't have it. They don't have this. And the fish is fillet. I don't want no damn fillet. I want some. If I was to get the fish, it was gonna be the fish, of course. So I would. I don't want no damn fillet fish. Oh yeah, it's not early. It's a beautiful day. Water is very pretty. Yeah, we are early. Ain't nobody here. We're going back. Going home now. Going to Clarendon. So I wanted to come here because I've never been here before. And close by as well. I'm waiting for my food. I'm so hungry. I really ate yesterday. I didn't eat much. Oh. Thank you.
Meet me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah.
No. No? You could jump. I was doing all you're doing another clothes like this.
Let me fix it on one. That's hold it and like here. Okay, go.
Yo, how much you can swim? I want some of that. I want cook that. Oh gosh. Bush, right? I don't know. I'm jealous of you. Hey, what a clean man. What a clean bud. Ooh, sun hot though. What a clean though. I can't get over how clean water is. I want to learn how to swim. Damn. Huh? I said, no, I'm saying more of a swim. It's a record. You can't sit down. It's a record. You want to go down? I'm about to jump on my sister. Why not? take too long. Can't see. Okay. I'm gonna do. I want to record. I want to record and we feel the man to jump and the man not jump. You not jump. Yo. Okay, I should have my phone and enjoy my game, man. Oh, look. Wait there. A lifeguard, you know, jump. You might as well jump on done. Oh, see me? I'm going to jump now. Okay, finally, Jesus. After 20 minutes. Me no. Oh, okay. So the food was good, like really good. Just that they never have what I want, like the lobster and fish fillet instead of red snapper. I never have that, but it was good.
Go forget the riches and the wealth that on my vision. I'm funny, make up a million. But if I make a million, I'm full of million. Yeah. Man, I live like Rasta. No beef, no pasta. Here force white dogs, knock that fight. When girl don't need fire and rock. Come looking at my Gucci. Expensive beats, not gonna. I'm still a Baileys with the dada. She got a 17 just for flatter.
So this is what we're gonna try. We're going to spin. Whichever one it stops on, that's the one we have to eat. I'm gonna go first because I'm not. Okay.
I spin that.
Spin again.
See there?
Go on, spin.
What's that?
Cayenne pepper.
Duma said that's between cayenne pepper and sriracha.
Oh, alright, so
Was it the
so
brown cayenne
which
pepper?
one you want? Yes, a cayenne pepper the one. Go on. Let me go on.
Pepper bad.
Cayenne
Come on,
pepper,
something
man.
else.
Spin again. Come in and see. Me get the video. You really ask me something, girl.
Jalapeno. I said this is the cabinet with shrimp.
I get no video now. So your
No
reaction.
pepper. Oh, what do you mean?
And no pepper boy at about them.
Pepper man.
I said about you know look pepper. I said about look.
But you
Oh,
just-
yes. Alright, me go next.
Okay, what do I say to you? Me not like it.
Yeah, I don't want cayenne pepper.
Spin
Spin
again.
again.
Okay. Barely a spin. Oh my god, is that this one, you know?
Carolina Reaper.
I'm if you know which one. Which one? This? No, how you look?
I read one.
Oh, this one, eh? Oh, this
That's like
one?
cayenne pepper.
Not a cayenne pepper. I read one. Oh, one with the spots funny.
See too.
Not that. This one. That one.
And that one?
Yeah.
The cayenne pepper that girl.
That's a this me just eat for cayenne pepper. You mad?
I wrong when you eat. I burn her that
You
look.
think of this you eat?
Or sriracha. I wrong when you eat.
Alright, so
Oh, which one?
which one?
This one, see there, another one there. I ate this, right? This? Listen, I don't know, you know. You need to try it? Mama.
And you
Oh my god. Oh. Are you trying this again? Are you trying this again? Oh my god. Carolina. Isn't that hot? Is that all of you?
Eh?
Is that all of you?
Enough, man. You that here? But talking about me right now.
Oh my god. See? The one that tastes good? Like national market. Buy something to drink because yeah. When you bring no bun, no money for bread. No want bread. I need something. Listen. Sugar bun. Yeah, me need this now. How much is this? 190. Let's go get this one. Feel tough. What? Okay. But I can't feel some money more. I run daddy. She gone. Anda. Where they? Oh. I go careful with my money, man. One sugar. Yeah, let me see.
Yeah, man, this one has some both
Not bad. Oh, this. Oh, this
Much of this? 190.
You working?
You want it?
Okay.
510.
You ready? I get some pork, more some pork. Pork. Good time, might as well.
Take care of your red cross road. Can't cross. Oh, what? Cross though.
Nice. Is it? How many say some here? How many come? Then go to this. Yeah, last year. How many come into this? I'm not coming up here, Clinton. Oh, we got a KFC.
You want a KFC?
Yeah, we didn't got a KFC. Oh, that's what you want, fish.
What kind of fish?
I'm gonna get some porky. Big body randa. I hope your oxtail sales good enough because I want some good oxtail. No, put me some more, not oxtail. I say oxtail. Put more. There you go. Oh, yeah, I know so. Achoo. Yeah, you know so. I will sit down. I didn't have the same seating there. No, over here so. Oh, we need to sit down somewhere over here. Pork. Pork.
650, 800. Five. 1.5.
No, good. You get a bottle? How much you get?
Veg really do want and first time this one. I'm not taking that, so me alright.
I'll try that one day. I'll try that one day. Huh? I'll try that one day. Kids. Eh?
What's your food there, sir?
Oh.
I see video in over there.
Eh?
What is video in over there?
You?
The video in the bathtub?
Yeah. That look good.
What she here, sir? Alright, I don't want no mustard, I don't want no relish. Just the ketchup, the mayo and the cheese.
Pepper ketchup mayo.
Pepper, 2 pepper, I can't mind that.
What ketchup?
Yeah, not much. Alright.
Mayo?
Cheese and mayo.
American cheese.
You give me a little bit of mayonnaise there. And cheese. And turn it for me, please.
I want to try that. That looks good.
Want to get?
Oh.
Thank you.
Oi. Nó đang bạn đang có không? Cho mình có mở bên ngoài fish nó. Nó mới mình get đi. Sao có gì mà? Ui, nó foda. Agora uma fish. E some fish.
How much your fries?
She's a 1.5. I'm gonna do my hair. That's why my hair is like this. I'm gonna get some braids. But the lady, do somebody else here, but she told me 2 o'clock appointment.
Yeah, something on the machine. Which one this? Which one this? Yeah. I don't know how to do these things. 1,460. So we're still the way to get back.
You want change?
Look at the time saying at this place.
Is it? You want my machine? Yes, sir. I will let my key back.
This has no interest.
You can wrap it up.
No problem. No, you bring that one. Wrap it up. Oh, this is now. That's the unja bag, the clap bag, unja.
That one bag. So you can wrap up. Maybe in the making for some time. Good, good.
This is just your one? What kind of mango them there? Oh. Well, next time I buy some. Let me more. See there? Wait there. How much is this one? 54. What is it in a week? How much am I getting? I can't drink one time, one a day. See there what? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 5. We get 5 pound water. I like a grape one. What you want? What you need to pay for water yesterday? A big one, remember?
Can pick up one of them.
This? Oh. Oh, how much for that one? Yeah, how much for that? Let me see the price. For this?
No.
The one, yeah. Yeah. After I'm go for a phone. How much of a big thing here right now? No. Yeah, you can't buy that one. That's me, we didn't go to the price. Come on. Where bun where's some? Oh, cornbread. I can't remember. I always buy my company. Where pack one there? Yeah, we pack one. No, the pack one. See there? We find it. Let's see one. Sorry. Yes, I do see my this. I love this. I love it. Yeah, me know. Oh, you're national. Yeah, national. Oh, my reason.
Coconut bread, nice with cheese.
I don't get some we buy yesterday. Some like this we buy yesterday.
No, you buy sugar bread.
Sugar bun. But you have coconut in it. So I taste the coconut. How many super bowl ago? The one, yeah? Oh, this is the one that's soft. Look, feeling. The one that's soft. Let's try the one. Where cheese you know? My chauffeur. My cousin. Oh, what? With what? Sardine. That's true. My bad one. One little crackers. Frankfurter. You want to come and eat Frankfurter up, sir? No? I like it up, sir. How much is that one? You buy one so we can eat it. Why not? It can last me.
Alright, if you last it, then you can buy.
Oh, so buy the one.
But the last year?
Okay, guys, this was gonna last me for 2 weeks, no? What did I say? 1,000? We not buy that.
638.
I don't want it. Yeah, get that one. Let's get that one.
How about this little bit?
That look a bit. Let me get that one. How many you buy no bread? How much is this bill?
You want to buy one bread?
Fine, yeah? Let me get that one. Yeah.
What's that?
Wait, that's it. Oh, that's it. June 5th. June 5th when? The next week? Okay. All of them say June 5th, fine. Alright, let's bread. Can't even not go down by June 5th.
You work today? How when the bread them come?
June.
No, when they come?
This morning.
How long bread last for? 1 week? It expire? The 5th?
5th. Yeah. Let's bread. Come on. Come on, tea biscuit. No tea biscuit. No, it's so. Alright,
That's it.
alright. It's in your ball. Bamat. See? Okay, I walk with my phone to back side. Yeah, my brother. Eh? Get some, no? Get sausage. You love the sausage. Oh, no, you saw sausage. No, you saw sausage. That's why I can't have sausage, so. I get two cigarettes. Get some little cheesy. Oh, that's it? Oh, you feel it in still? Oh, you good. Oh, there, man. Let me try that one before. I wanted them to try. No? You want to try?
No, I'm not.
Take one. Only one. Hi, goodies. What's that junk food? Woo. Look at my hair right now. Damn, a big size. I think that's what I'm missing. Yeah. Eh? Yeah, not good. Oh gosh. I must walk with you over $3,881. No, because $3,881. Oh, no, so you make them bring them up.
Oh, when we need the out, but I have to do with you. You think I actually that is the best thing before.
I saw you there.
Fun one.
On the time periods of where we had our intercourse in the time period, she showed.
Oh, not to confuse me.
I need loyalty in my
Now,
life.
do you? What is she loyal to? You all in? You're not in a
Gotta show me.
relationship. You go do something with her child's
If she
father.
want me to be her man, then she's gonna be loyal to me. Let me know everything to go.
What you can't listen to what time? What time? Oh, you smell for? Oh, you see your man? So you smell for? We are girl. Rhonda.
8:30.
Yeah, but we stayed with me the whole time. She stayed with me the whole time, booby.
Not even sure.
Oh no, it's so dark. Just finish me here. Oh God. It's nice one. I love it. Yeah, what I mean, it was already. It was at the bottom. Oh yeah, I'm going somewhere. I want to go back to me. I go home now. Hold on, I'm coming back home. Listen to me. It's me coming to Jamaica and do some box sprays for $40. Okay, $40 US. Never ever ever again I do my hair in America. You hear me? You hear what I'm saying? Yeah. Watch the length though. It's the length for me. It's the friggin' length for me. America weird. America weird. What plum is again?
Red plum, normal plum.
But not because you're the one.
Yeah, hog plum.
Yeah, I'm not saying. Okay, so.
And a human plum.
Okay. Ask me, no. What is that? I go on bed, no. Bombat. No one in that. Stop it. Don't leave that there, man.
Early at night time.
Oh, okay. It's a rainy day. Breakfast. Caramel porridge. Why it's not focusing? Ah, there you go. Caramel porridge on the Saturday morning. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, that's in this one.
That is buy for my 24th birthday.
This?
Yeah.
Oh, but that's expensive. It's just I. The 24th birthday. There's some food. I'm hungry.
Only that.
Fried chicken, eh?
We started in the bar.
No, I don't want to come. I said, I'm going to come before. Oh, that's in an hour. I'll put it up. You want pork? Put me over there. Fried chicken. It's fried chicken. What about you, boy?
Fried chicken.
Small.
I don't want to have a bean place.
Oh, small. You think want cranberry water? Really? Have fun water?
You want can water them general?
Chilling with my cousin. It's raining. Ever since I came down here, it's been raining. Bear taxi, bear taxi. Some mango. Eat them again. Some pork and chicken again. I'm eating up all the box food, okay?